Hello friends, in the last video we have discussed the linear equations in two variables and finding their solution by graphical method. Today we are going to have an algebraic approach towards solving this linear equation. So let us see how two linear equations can be solved using algebraic methods. There are three algebraic methods to solve any pair of linear equations. First method is substitution method, second method is elimination method, and third method is cross multiplication method. In this video, we will see how substitution method can be used to solve linear equations. So we are moving to exercise 3.3 CBSE class 10. Question number 1. X plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. So we are going to use substitution method. In substitution method, what we will do is, from any of these two equations, we will find the value of one variable in terms of the other variable. For example, from the second equation, we can say that x minus 4 is equal to y, or y equal to x minus 4. So this value we are going to substitute in the first equation. So first equation will become x plus, instead of y we will write this x minus 4 equal to 14. That means 2x minus 4 equal to 14. 2x equal to 14 plus 4 equal to 18, or x is equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9. When x is equal to 9, we can find the value of y, because we know that y is equal to x minus 4, that is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So we have x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. That is the solution. Now we are moving to second sub question of question number 1, that is s minus t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t divided by 2 equal to 6. From the first equation, we will get that s minus 3 is equal to t, or t can be written as s minus 3. Second equation, what we can do, we can multiply throughout with 6. Why 6? Because 6 is the LCM of 3 and 2. So this equation, if you multiply by 6, what we will get? 6 into s by 3. 6 into s divided by 3 plus 6 into t upon 2 is equal to 6 into 6. That means 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. And we know that t is equal to s minus 3. So substituting this value here, 2s plus 3 into s minus 3 equal to 36. So 2s plus 3s minus 9 equal to 36. 2s plus 3s is equal to 5s minus 9 equal to 36. 5s is equal to 36 plus 9, 45. And s is equal to 45 upon 5 equal to 9. When s is equal to 9, we can get t is equal to s minus 3. That is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we have s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Now we are moving to third sub question. 3x minus y equal to 3. 9x minus 3y equal to 9. So 3x minus y equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, by substitution method we will take 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So this y, value of y we will substitute here. So 9x minus 3 into 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. That is 9x minus 9x plus 9 equal to 9. That means 9x minus 9x is equal to 0. See, if you see this equation, you can see that for any value of x, this is true. That means x can take any value. If x takes any value, then y also can take any value. That means this particular equation is having infinite number of solutions. Of course, in the last section we have seen that if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then these two equations represent same line and they have infinite number of solutions. So using that logic also you can find that this pair of two lines will have infinite number of solutions. Now we will have question number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3 y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5 y is equal to 2.3. To eliminate this decimal, what we will do, we will multiply 1 with 10. So that we will get 2x. 0.3 into 10 we will get 3y. 1.3 into 10 we will get 30. Similarly, second equation also we are multiplying by 10. 0.4 into 10 4x, 0.5 into 10 5y, 2.3 into 10 23. So we have multiplied on both sides, hence without changing the value of the equation. From the first equation we can say that 3y equal to 13 minus 2x. Therefore y equal to 13 minus 2x divided by 3. This value we are going to substitute in the second equation. Hence 4x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x divided by 3 equal to 23. That is 4x plus 5 into 13, 65 minus 10x divided by 3 equal to 23. Throughout multiplying this equation by 3, so we will multiply by 3, 4 into 3x, 12x plus 65 minus 10x is equal to 3 into 23, 69. 12x minus 10x will give us 2x is equal to 65 will go to this side, 69 minus 65 equal to 4. So x is equal to 2. Now from this we can find out the value of y. So y equal to 13 minus 2 into, what is the value of x? 2 divided by 3. That is equal to 13 minus 4 divided by 3. That is 9 by 3 equal to 3. So the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So that is the answer. Now we are moving to fifth sub question, that is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Okay, so from the first equation we will get y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into x. Root 3y going to this side, so it is minus root 3y. So y is equal to minus root 2 by 3 root 3 into x. Okay. Then we will substitute this value here. So root 3x minus root 8 into y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 x equal to 0. That means root 3x plus root 8 into root 2 is equal to root 16. Root 16 is equal to 4. So 4 divided by root 3, x is equal to 0. We will multiply throughout with root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3x plus root 3 getting cancelled here, 4x is equal to 0 into root 3, 0. 3x plus 4x is equal to 0. 7x is equal to 0 means x equal to 0. And when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into x. So y also equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That is the solution for this particular pair of linear equations. Moving to the sixth question. 3x by 2 minus 5 by upon 3 is equal to minus 2. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Here to eliminate this denominators, we can multiply with the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So if we multiply throughout with the 6, what we will get? 3x divided by 2 into 6 minus 5 by 3y into 6 is equal to minus 2 into 6. That is equal to 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. Similarly, here also we will multiply by 6. So 6 and 3 getting cancelled, we are getting 2x. 6 and 2 getting cancelled, we will get to 3y is equal to 13. From the first equation, we will find the value of y. 10y equal to 9x plus 12 and y equal to 9x plus 12 divided by 10. This value we will substitute here. So 2x plus 3 into 9x plus 12 divided by 10 equal to 13. Multiplying throughout with 10 to take away this denominator, 10 into 2x, 20x plus 3 into 9, 27x plus 3 into 12, 36. 10 and 10 getting cancelled is equal to 10 into 13, 130. We have multiplied with 10 on both sides of this equation to get this. 20 plus 27, 47, x is equal to 130 minus 36, that is 94. So x is equal to 94 divided by 47, that is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, what will happen to y? Y equal to 9 into 2 plus 12 divided by 10. That is 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 40. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. That is a solution set for this pair of linear equations. Now we are going to the second question of exercise 3.3. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. And hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So we have to solve this equation. We will find the value of x and y, substitute the value of x and y here so that we will get the value of m. That is the procedure. Okay, so from second equation we will get 2x plus 24 is equal to 4y, or y equal to 2x plus 24 divided by 4. This value we will substitute in the first equation. That means 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 24 divided by 4 is equal to 11. Multiplying throughout with the 4, we will get 8x plus 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 into 24, 72 is equal to 4 into 11, 44. What we have done, we have multiplied with 4 to take away this denominator 4 on both sides. 8x plus 6 is 14x equal to 44 minus 72, that is minus 28. So x is equal to minus 28 divided by 14 equal to minus 2. Now we will substitute this value in this equation to get the value of y. So y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 24 divided by 4. That is minus 4 plus 24 by 4 is equal to 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. So we have x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Now come back to this equation. We know that x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. We will simply substitute here. So 5 is equal to m into minus 2 plus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 2 is equal to minus 2m, or m is equal to 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So this is the value of m. Now question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So word problems are there. We have to take one by one. So first question we will take. The difference between two numbers is 26. So let the numbers be x and y. So the difference between x and y is equal to 26. We will represent x minus y is equal to 26. And one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Here the bigger number is x. So x will be 3 times the other. So x is equal to 3y. This value we will substitute in the first equation. So this becomes 3y minus y equal to 26. 2y equal to 26, or y equal to 13. When y is equal to 13, x is equal to 3 into 13, that is equal to 39. So x is equal to 39 and y is equal to 13, that is the answer. Second sub question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of the angles is equal to 180. So there are two angles which are supplementary. That means x plus y equal to 180. If x and y are the angles, then x plus y is equal to 180. And it is given that the larger one exceeds the smaller by 18. We take x as the larger number. So x minus y is equal to 18. Or we can say y equal to x minus 18. Taking y this side and 18 this side, we will get y equal to x minus 18. This value we will substitute in equation number 1 to get x plus x minus 18 is equal to 180. 2x minus 18 equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 plus 18 equal to 198. Or x is equal to 198 divided by 2 is equal to 99. And when x is equal to 99, what will be the value of y? Y is equal to 99 minus 18, that is equal to 81. So 81 and 99 are the values of the angles which are supplementary and whose difference is 18. Now we are going to third sub question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls at 3,800. So let the cost of bat be x and ball be y. So 7 bat means 7x plus 6 balls, that means 6y equal to 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. So 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. So we got two equations and we can use substitution method. So from the second equation, 3x equal to 1750 minus 5y, or x is equal to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. This we will substitute in the first equation. That means 7 into 1750 minus 5y divided by 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. Multiply throughout with the 3 to take away this denominator. So we will get 7 into 1750 minus 5y plus 3 into 6, 18y equal to 3 into 3800. 3824 2. Okay. Now multiply 12,250 minus 7 into 5, 35y plus 18y is equal to 11,400. We will take these two here and this here. That means minus 35 plus 18 is minus 17. When it is going to the right side, it will become 17y. So 17y is equal to 12,250 minus 11,400. That means 850. So y is equal to 850 divided by 17, which is equal to 50. What about x? X is equal to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3 from here. Okay, so that is equal to 1750 minus 5 into y. 5 into 50 is 250 divided by 3. 1750 minus 250 is equal to 1500 divided by 3 is equal to 500. So cost of bat is equal to 500 and cost of ball equal to 50. Okay, now we are going to the fourth sub question. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105 rupees. And for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155 rupees. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Read the question again. For the first 10 km, there is a fixed charge. So we will take the fixed charge per kilometer is equal to x, and variable charge after 10 km variable charge we are taking y. Logically this problem can be solved easily, but we have to use a substitution method in two variables, so we will be going to that method only. So fixed charge we will take it as x and variable charges after 10 km y. So first 10 km, that means 10 into x is equal to first 10 km charge is 105. And for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. So 15 km means this 10x is first 10 km. Then another 5 km. Another 5 km the charge is y. So 10x plus 5y is equal to 155. See whether it is clear. Fixed charge for 10 km is 105. So 10 into x is equal to 105, where x is the fixed charge for 1 km for the first 10 kilometers. And after 10 kilometers, let the charge be y. So 15x means first 10x plus remaining 5y. So 10x plus 5y is equal to 155. So here this 10x we will replace here. 105 plus 5y is equal to 155. 5y is equal to 155 minus 105 is equal to 50, or y equal to 10. From 10x is equal to 105, we will get x is equal to 10.5. So the fixed charge is 10.5 per kilometer and the variable charge is 10 rupees per kilometer. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? So 25 kilometer means 10 plus 15. So first 10 kilometer he will have to pay 10 into 10.5 plus 15 into 10. 10 into 10.5, 105 plus 15 into 10 is equal to 150. So total he will have to pay 255 rupees. Now fifth sub question, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So let the fraction be x by y. When 2 is added to numerator as well as denominator, we will get x plus 2 divided by y by 2. So x plus 2 upon y by 2, it is given as 9 upon 11. So this is equation number 1. Again, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, that means x plus 3 upon y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. That is equation number 2. Now from first equation we can cross multiply here 11 into x plus 2. That means 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 9 into 2, 18. That means 11x minus 9y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. And this equation will become, we can cross multiply again. So 6x plus 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5y plus 5 into 3, 15. So 6x minus 5y, 18 minus 15 is 3, plus 3 is equal to 0. That is equation number 4. Now we have to take only these two equations. These two equations we have converted to 3 and 4. From this equation, what we will get? 5y is equal to 6x plus 3, or y equal to 6x plus 3 divided by 5. This value we will substitute in this equation. So 11x minus 9 into 6x plus 3 divided by 5 is equal to, plus 4 equal to 0. Multiply throughout with 5, we will get 55x minus 9 into 6, 54x, 9 into 3 minus 27, plus 4 into 5 is 20 equal to 0. So x minus 7 equal to 0, or x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 means y is equal to 6 into 7 plus 3 by 5 from this result. So that is equal to 42 plus 3, 45 by 5, that is equal to 9. So we have x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. So what is the fraction here? So the fraction will become 7 by 9. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. So our answer is 7 by 9. Now sixth question, 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So let the age of Jacob be X now, and the son's age let it be Y. After 5 years, Jacob's age will be X plus 5. After 5 years, son's age will be Y plus 5. So what is given? Age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So this into 3. That means X plus 5 is equal to 3Y plus 15. X minus 3Y minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Now, 5 years ago means X minus 5. At that time, son's age was Y minus 5. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So this is equal to son's age into 7. That means X minus 5 is equal to 7Y minus 35. That is X minus 7Y plus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 7Y plus 30 equal to 0. So we have two equations here. From this equation, what we will get? X plus 30 is equal to 7Y, or Y equal to X plus 30 upon 7. So this value we will substitute in the first equation. So X minus 3 into Y equal to X plus 30 divided by 7 minus 10 equal to 0. Multiplying throughout by 7, we will get 7x minus 3x minus 93 into 30 90 minus 7 into 10 70 is equal to 0. Throughout by 7. So 7 we have to multiply here, 7 we have to multiply here also. Okay. 7 minus 3x is 4x. 4x is equal to 90 plus 70, 160. Or x is equal to 160 divided by 4 equal to 40. Now what about y? Y equal to 40 plus 30 divided by 7. That is 70 divided by 7 is equal to 10. So Jacob's age is 40 and the son's age is 10. So x is equal to 40 and y equal to 10. That is the answer. Now we have completed substitution method for solving linear equations. In the next video we will be going elimination method to solve the linear equations.